Is the spark in your relationship slowly vanishing? And do you want to know if your guy is missing you? Or do you want to make him miss you? Well, if that's the case, then this video is just for you because I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know and what you have to do to make him miss you. Hi guys, my name is Ieva Bereisaite and I am one of Greta Bereisaite's high-value women coaches, and yes, you guessed it, I am her little sister. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what you need to do to make him miss you. But before we get into this juicy video, make sure that you do the self-awareness test to find out if you're a woman of high value or if you're a woman of low value, and you can find that in the description section below. First and foremost, a man will start missing you when there is a distance between the two of you. If you are constantly together, it may be fun and nice in the beginning, but this is actually a big no-no because at some point he may very well become just simply bored since you guys see each other too often. If you are constantly together, that's actually a very big no-no. It might be fun and games at the start, but at some point it can become very boring for him and he gets used to seeing you a lot quicker, which is not very good. So if there is a distance, there will be more attraction in the long run. Okay, so this is a very important point. Distance. When there is a distance physically or emotionally, men will tend to miss women. And for those of you who see each other often, like you're married or you live together, distance might seem like something like, how am I gonna implement more distance in my relationship when I'm literally living with this person? Well, there's one specific thing that you can do, and that is to literally find a hobby that does not include him. And that can pretty much be anything that you enjoy doing. It can be as simple as going out with your girlfriends and him obviously then not being a part of it. You writing, if writing is your hobby, or painting, or doing anything like that. So find a hobby that does not include him. When you do activities separately from one another and you then talk about it, or just like go on a date or something, or talk about your day, it will be more exciting because you're going to be sharing your activities that you did, and that will give way for more conversation as well, and not just the daily usual talk. Because you will start finding hobbies that you can do for yourself, a healthy pursuit and a healthy distance will start building in between or in your relationship. Because there will be this healthy distance building, he will start reaching out to you more. He will want to find out what it is that you're up to. So make sure to give him a chance to miss you, ladies. Okay, this is also very important. Give him literally the chance and the time to miss you. When a man knows that he can, and not just men, but in general, when a person knows that he or she can have something constantly, no matter what, the excitement and the interest of it starts to vanish. So distance is a very fundamental and actually very important point if you want him to start missing you again. Right? So as I said, doing a hobby or anything like that for yourself will give him a chance to miss you. And so this is a very good tip for women who are living with their partners, right? And if you're not living with your partner but you're dating and you want him to miss you more, well then start seeing him rarely. with that being taken into consideration, don't just stop seeing him, okay? Because that's not what I mean. I mean, like, simply taking up an activity, not being available all the time because you're busy with your hobby, okay? And tapping into that situation of, well, I'm going out with my friends and I'm not going to be available at that time. Maybe we can rearrange on a different time, okay? So not being there too much for sure, and just letting a healthy distance kind of grow, because the less he sees you, and I'm gonna get into the second kind of tip as well, and it's also really good, so make sure you keep watching. When he senses that there's a distance and you guys will do exciting things every now and again when you see each other, that will bring up so much more spark in the relationship. And I'm gonna get into that tip right now. Also, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. If you haven't subscribed to Greta's channel yet, don't miss out on this amazing content, and also give me a thumbs up if you like the video so far. So men will start missing you more and more when you not just keep the distance in a healthy way, but you also give them new emotions. And by this I mean they would not know what to expect from you in a good way. Having the same dates or having the same routine can get boring very quickly, and new emotions will not only make him miss you more, it will make him fall in love more, right? The same with distance. Distance will not only make him miss you more, it will automatically grow his feelings for you more, because he will have to pursue you more. So try and remember to not have the same dates every time, okay? If you are going out, guys, have different dates, do different things, and keep it interesting during the time that you guys spend with each other. For example, if you would do the same things continuously, or go to the same restaurant, or just do the same things, it would get boring after a while. It would just simply get boring. But if you guys spice it a bit up, do a couple of different dates, that will keep the emotions swirling, and it's not going to get boring because you don't know kind of what to expect, but in a healthy way. Again, of course, the man would make the dinner reservation, and he would figure out what you guys can do together, or come up with some date ideas, right? But keep in mind not to let the date ideas be the same all the time. And this doesn't have to get crazy. Just keep this in mind, right? Because again, different emotions in the relationship and different activities that you guys will do, it will let you guys get to know each other a little bit more in a different setting, which is also exciting and nice. So this is just something that you can definitely keep in mind, and it will be more fun for you too as well, and will benefit the relationship in general. Don't go crazy on this, just like I said, but do just keep it in mind. One thing that will make him really miss you again is when he falls in love with your personality and he doesn't have it at the tip of his fingers, right? So by this I mean, make sure to be the authentic and real you that you are. If you have a certain sense of humor, that's awesome. If you really like painting or singing or dancing, that's awesome. And you should never give up these things for a guy, of course. So what I'm saying is, be yourself, right? In the world that we live today, Many people wear the same clothes. Many people like the same things, right? Finding someone really authentic and being proud of their authenticity and how interesting they are and maybe how different, and not being shy to, maybe do some things that not everyone does, or be interested in things that not everyone is interested in. This is very, very important because you will show your true side of you. So as I said, if you have a certain way of talking, like show your accent. If you have a certain way of making jokes, do that. Be you. Be you. Don't be afraid to show who you are. Being high value is never about trying to be someone else. It's always about being yourself, but being the best version of yourself, right? What I find kind of upsetting, not even upsetting, but just a bit sad in today's society is that a lot of women act the same way and are kind of scared to show their true colors because it won't be accepted, so they wear the same things, they style their hair the same way, wear the same makeup, and so on and so forth. So don't be afraid to show your colors and don't be afraid to be you. That's something very authentic and very, very sexy as well. And men love women who are not like everyone else. It's like finding a rare diamond in like the stones, If a girl's personality shines, if she is a free soul, if she feels like I'm like this and she just shows who she is, but she's the highest version of herself, she respects herself, she loves herself, and she's proud of herself, this is extremely magnetizing for a man. So be your authentic you and do not hide your amazing personality. And that way, you will attract the right man for you as well. Another super important tip is to not give him words of reassurance. He should be the one giving you the words of reassurance and telling you that he misses you, right? Don't be the first one to say, oh, I miss you and stuff like that. He should be the one that's doing it, simply because if he misses you, give him time to reach out. When he reaches out to you, it means he's thinking about you. That's exactly what you want. And then he will reach out and say something via call or text or whatever, and maybe say something like, how are you? Haven't heard from you in a long time, or I miss you. And that's exactly what you would want to achieve. It is a sign of him pursuing you, him reaching out to you. So don't be the first one, of course, to reach out to him or to pursue him. Don't give him those words of reassurance first. And ladies, if you want to find women who are on the same journey as you and interact with them in a free group, then make sure you join Greta's High Value Women's School. This group will help you bring out the best in your man. Make sure you join, and you will find the link to it in the description section below. If you like this video so far, then tell me what you liked about it the most in the comments section below. Also hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button to be notified whenever Greta uploads a video. Yeah, and like this video if you like it so far. And if you want to know how to stay attractive via text, what games men play on women, or even how to control your emotions, how to get your ex back, or even if you have a hobby that you want to turn into an online business, then check out all the videos that are for sale, and you can find all of them in the description section below of this video. So make sure you have a look there. And if you would want to have one-on-one coaching with either Greta or any of her team members or even me, then also have a look at gretabereisaite.com and you will find the link to Greta's website in the description box below as well. Also, check out Greta's Instagram, which is Ladies Relationship Coach. She posts a lot of really cool content on there, so make sure to give it a follow. Thank you so much for watching. I loved making this video for you guys, and I'll see you soon. And let me know which tip you loved in the comment section below. I'm gonna have a read through and I can't wait to find out what you like the most and what you're gonna apply in your own relationship. And again, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.